All right, so back working on this Equinox here since I got the parts for it. I'm gonna just change the strut or pull the strut out right here just because I unloaded it from the trailer and it'll be kind of a pain in the butt to get back on the trailer and into the shop. So just gonna pull the wheel off and pull the strut out and just change it right here. Should be able to pretty easily. And then I got a new rim and I'll have to change this tire since the sidewall's punctured on it, but just pull this apart just outside here and I'll have to change the spring, and I got a new strut and lower A-arm and CV axle, I guess. So take it apart here and so I got yeah, it wrecked this rim, so front's kind of okay, but and the sidewall's punctured, but got another rim from another build anyways, so we use that. So you can see here it just bent in the strut and wrecked the lower A-arm here, and also the CV axles pooch. So take this apart. So to pull the strut out, it's just these 4 13 mils at the top here. Pretty easy. All right, so got a little bit of damage to here, but not too bad. Should be able to push that out. Maybe to weld that little crack shut there. Didn't really damage any of our other stuff besides the lower A-arm's pretty twisted, but as long as it bent the A-arm and not our main support, should be okay. So let's pull the lower A-arm off and then get this out of the way, because I have all the new parts for it. I should be able to put it back together. All right, so I got the new strut changed here. I'm gonna pull the lower A-arm out, change that, and then I should be able to put it all together. I don't have the strut or the CV axle yet, but I'm going to just stick it back together just so I can drive it into the shop, because I'm gonna have to take it all back apart again to fix the damage up here and everything, but just to get into the shop should be okay. Anyways, All right, so now I got my lower control arm installed. I'm gonna put the strut back in, and then I don't have a new axle shaft yet. It's still coming from the States, so I'll just gonna shove it back in there for now. Just rev the boot, just so I can drive it into the shop anyways. So for the strut, this goes up. All right, so now I got my strut installed. I can try to install the knuckle and everything without taking it all apart. Just because it's gonna have to come all back apart again once I get it in the shop. Anyways, so okay, the wheel can go on. Everything's tight. And I should be able to drive it then. Yeah, so I got all the suspension fixed except for the CV axle. So I'm just gonna move it, take it for a drive across the yard, and then I can pull the airbags. The roof airbags blew off. The seat airbag, and then I got to change the seat belts and the pre-tensioners there. So, and send off the airbag control module. But you got to pull the seats out. And it's right under this center console here. But, and once the body panels show up next week, got 2 new front fenders and a new door, and I should be able to pull a dent out of this back door, and then it should be good. There's a little yeah, I think it's from a loader, I don't know what, but I'll have to fix that, I guess. Must have been from the loader. And dent in this fender, but I got a new fender for it, so. But besides that, it looks pretty good. Has 11,800 kilometers on it. It's fairly nice interior. Don't think I wrecked the headliner. I should be able to reuse it. And might have to change the front window, but anyways, tune in for the next video, and we'll change the body panels and pull the dent out of that door, I guess, and probably change the airbags.